Hey there, friends! Welcome back to Life Tips. It's a new year, and you know what that means. It's the perfect time to declutter and get organized. Whether you're tackling post-holiday mess or just trying to start the year fresh, today we're going room by room with easy, affordable organizing tips. And the best part? You don't need to break the bank. Most of these storage solutions are straight from the dollar store. Let's get started. First up, the kitchen, aka the heart of the home. It's also where clutter loves to pile up. Here's how we can fix that. These bins are perfect for grouping similar items together. Plus, the clear sides make it super easy to see what you've got. No more guessing if you're out of flour. A simple tension rod can double your storage space and keep cutting boards or baking sheets neat and tidy. Don't forget about vertical surfaces. Cabinet doors are prime real estate for small tools. Closets can get chaotic fast, but with a few simple tricks, you'll actually look forward to opening these doors. This hack is a game changer. Use soda can tabs to create a second row of hanging space for shirts or pants. Corral your accessories into small baskets. Not only does it look tidy, but you'll save time finding what you need. These dividers help keep your folded clothes neat and prevent them from toppling over. Last but definitely not least, the pantry. A well-organized pantry makes meal prep so much easier. Transfer dry goods like pasta, rice, and cereal into clear containers. It keeps everything fresh and looks so much more organized. Lazy Susans are perfect for items you use often. Just give it a spin to grab what you need. Stackable bins are a lifesaver for maximizing vertical space and keeping snacks sorted. And there you have it. With just a few budget-friendly items and a little creativity, you can transform your home into an organized oasis. Let me know in the comments which room you'll tackle first. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more organizing tips. Until next time, happy organizing.